Hello everyone, today we are going to study our fourth chapter is asynchronous counter design using MSI circuits. Means we have to design the asynchronous counter with the help of ICs. So different ICs are there also there are 7490, 7493 like that. So there are two contents in this chapter. That the first content is like designing of counter using IC 7490, 92, 93, 7416 and 7496 etc. And second part is the cascading of 7490 ICs. So here in asynchronous counter, first question will be which is we are always going to study is the decade counter, like the decade counter which has 10 states. So for 10 states we know how many flip-flops we need for the 10 states to design the to give the 10 last number will be the 0 to 9, that is 1001, like 1001. So how many flip-flops are there? We need here 4 flip-flops, right? So for these 4 flip-flops in IC 7490 we are going to use internal structure of this IC is nothing but is first is mod 2 flip-flop which has in which we use a 1 flip-flop, and second is a mod 5 flip-flop in which we use the 3 flip-flop. 3 plus 1 is 4. That equally satisfies our aim. Like in decade counter we need 4 flip-flops, and that is equally in IC 7490, right? So this is the internal structure of the IC 7490. First it has a mod 2, that is a flip-flop A, and second is the mod 5 counter in which it has a 3 flip-flops and some gates are required, that is called a gating okay. So we are going to give the input A to the flip-flop that to the flip-flop first, that is a first flip-flop A, and it is going to give our output to that is QA, and that QA is connected as a input to the second flip-flop, that is QB. That is QB means that is to the input B, right? Here we are connecting here. It has already 2 reset inputs and the 2 set inputs. So these are used for the setting and the resetting of the inputs, and here we are dragging here that QB, QC, QD for the 3 output of the 3 flip-flop in mod 5 counter, and the flip-flop in flip-flop A mod in mod 2 counter. Only 1 flip-flop we are using, therefore output is QA. So you got the idea how we are going to use. How many flip-flops here we need? 4 flip-flops, right? So 4 flip-flop. For that mod 2 will give you 1 flip-flop, mod 5 will give you 3 flip-flop, 3 plus 1 4. It will satisfy our designing part. Therefore this is IC 7490 which is used as a decade counter, and with the help of IC 7490 we can do or we can design a decade counter, right? For further part is how to get the truth table of this and how it is working, right? So second part is, this is actually a summary of operation for IC 7490 counter, right? So what you have to do, it is a mod 10 counter, right? Mod 10 means it will count from 0 to 9. So you have to write the numbers 0000 means 0 to 9 directly with the sequence of QD, QC, QB and the QA, right? Directly write the number 000 then to 1001. Okay, here are the clock. Here is the clock. It is how at every falling edge this flip-flop will change its output. Therefore we are showing this all the 9 clocks, and this is the count. At this clock this will count 0, at first falling edge it will show 1, like that. At 9th falling edge it will show you a 9, right? Now see here, this is the output of mod 5 counter, and this is the output of only first, that is mod 2 counter. Mod 2 counter's output is changing at every falling edge, means it is changing from 0 to 1 when there is a another, there is a falling edge. Second, when it is changing, it is 0 to 1, 0 to 1, and to finally to this. So it is toggling at every falling edge of the clock. And in this mod 5 counter, output remains no change, means there is a no change, 0 0 0 0 0 0, no change. Output remains no change when there is a change of QA is from changing from 0 to 1. Whenever QA is changing from 0 to 1, output will be no change in the mod 5 counter. Okay, and when the QA is changing from 1 to 0, like that, 1 to 0, there will be increment of 1, that is 0 0 0, it is turning to again 0 0 1, right? So it is incremented by 1 when QA is changing from 1 to 0. Likewise, again it is changing to 0 to 1, so there is a no change, again 0 0 1 0 0 1, same, it will remain same, right? There is a no change when it is QA changing from 0 to 1, and there is a change of a 1, or it is increased by the number 1 when it is changing from 1 to 0. Like that we have to design this, like that this is going to happen inside the flip-flop or inside that IC 7490. Okay, so this is the clear-cut idea that we have to draw that diagram in that flip-flops. First flip-flop is the flip-flop A mod 2 counter, and second is the with the help of mod 5 counter we can design the decade counter, and this is the truth table for that. Okay, you got the idea?